January separates gardeners who wait from gardeners who win. While most people assume the garden season is months away, soil biology and cool season crops quietly say otherwise. Some vegetables are not just tolerant of early starts, they depend on them. When planted in January, they root deeper, resist stress better, and deliver harvests weeks before everyone else even thinks about sowing. This is not about pushing plants unnaturally. It is about working with their natural rhythm and letting time do the heavy lifting. Early planting allows roots to develop before heat, pests and competition arrive. Growth above ground may look slow, but underground systems expand steadily. When daylight increases and temperatures rise, these plants are already established and surge forward, while late plantings struggle to catch up. This early advantage often doubles harvest windows without extra inputs. You know, spinach is really built for cold soil. Its seeds germinate reliably in temperatures just above freezing, and those young plants can tolerate frost without any damage at all. Planting in January encourages compact growth and deep root systems rather than those fast, weak leaves you sometimes see. For best results, it's a good idea to soak spinach seeds in clean water for about 8 hours before planting. Sow them directly into soil that's been amended with compost. Oh, and do keep the soil evenly moist, but never saturated. Spinach, planted early, produces sweeter leaves and bolts later than those crops started in spring. Quite a handy trick, really. You know, peas really do prefer cool roots and tend to struggle once the soil warms up too quickly. Planting them in January gives them plenty of time to anchor themselves and start climbing before any real pressure builds. Early peas, well, they flower sooner and often escape those common fungal problems entirely. Soak your pea seeds in water for about 12 hours before sowing. This really helps to speed up germination. Then plant them about 2 to 3 centimeters deep in loose soil. Support the early growth gently, and do avoid using nitrogen fertilizer as it encourages foliage at the expense of those lovely pods. You know, onions actually measure their growth by the amount of daylight they receive, not by their age. So, starting them early, well, it really gives them the maximum time to build up leaf mass before that bulbing phase kicks in. Onions that are started in January, they consistently end up forming larger bulbs than those planted later in the season. It's quite remarkable, really. To get the best results, start onions from seed indoors or in protected beds. Use shallow containers filled with well-draining soil and make sure to keep the seedlings cool and bright. It's simple, but it makes all the difference. Transplant when stems reach pencil thickness, spacing generously to allow full bulb development. It's a simple yet crucial step, really. Radishes bolt quickly in warm soil. Early planting produces cleaner flavour and uniform roots. It's all about timing, you see. January sown radishes mature before temperature swings cause bitterness or hollow centres. It's quite fascinating how timing can make such a difference. Sow directly into loose soil and, thin early to prevent crowding. water lightly, but consistently. Radishes planted in January often finish in under 30 days, making them, well, one of the fastest early rewards in the garden. Kale improves with cold exposure. Early planting encourages thick stems and, compact leaf clusters. You know, cold-grown kale develops a much deeper flavour and it actually resists pests longer into the season. Start kale in trays or, directly in beds under light protection. And, keep the soil fertile, but not rich in fast nitrogen. Steady growth, well, it produces tougher leaves that can withstand heat later on without wilting. Lettuce, really struggles when temperatures spike early. Planting in January keeps growth slow and steady, which helps prevent that stress that can cause bitterness. Early lettuce, well, it forms nice tight heads or lush leaf clusters before the heat forces rapid elongation. Sow shallowly and cover lightly. And, do remember to maintain even moisture. Shade is rarely needed when lettuce establishes in cool conditions first. Cold soil slows nutrient availability. Instead of heavy fertilizer, use gentle biological feeds. Mix 1 tablespoon of unsulfured molasses into 4 litres of water and apply lightly once every 3 weeks. This supports soil microbes without forcing growth. Avoid strong liquid feeds in cold weather. Roots absorb slowly and excess nutrients leach away unused. Simple protection matters more than heat. Floating row covers reduce wind stress and buffer temperature swings without trapping moisture. Now, it's best to avoid sealed plastic covers, as they tend to cause condensation and, well, that can lead to disease. You see, healthy early plants adapt naturally, and once they're established, they rarely need any intervention at all. Vegetables started in January actually synchronize with the increasing daylight, and their growth curve matches nature's pace rather than racing against it. This results in stronger plants, longer harvests, and fewer failures, you see. It's quite remarkable, really. You know, early planting does not rush the season. It actually expands it. Gardeners who start early, well, they gain time, not risk. These crops, they've evolved to grow when others hesitate. By trusting that design, you really do unlock harvests that feel almost effortless later on. If this guide helped you see January a bit differently, do subscribe to Nature's Blueprint, share this with a gardener who's still waiting for spring, and help spread smarter soil-first growing.